Thank you for joining us today in our DOT urine drug sample collection process training. This has been developed for those that have been asked to report for a DOT drug test. It is presented today by Rapid Compliance Services, Inc. We're located in Fresno, California. To schedule a nationwide testing, please contact us at 559-203-7458. We also have the Clearinghouse and the National Drug Screen Lottery assistance available. If you're interested, please give us a call today. The DOT urine drug test normally screens for 5 different items. Those 5 different items are amphetamines, methamphetamines, cocaine, marijuana, opioids, which are narcotics, and PCP. To best serve you, we've created a short list of the process for giving a drug sample for the DOT. The first step is to secure your belongings. It is always best to leave your belongings in your car or with someone you trust. But if you do have items, you will need to leave them in our secured staging area. Once your items are secure, you will need to confirm your ID with your CDL. Then you will be taken to the restroom area. Once there, the paperwork process will begin. Once it's started, you will be asked to wash your hands so the process of testing can begin. After you've washed your hands, the technician will add blue dye to the toilet water. You may notice both the sink and the toilet have been made tamper resistant. This has been done to secure the accuracy of your test and for your protection against any type of tampering. Once the blue dye has been added to the toilet water, you will be given your sample cup. Also, a do not enter notice is placed on the door for your privacy. The technician will always be standing outside the door while your testing is in process. Prior to leaving the restroom, the technician will give you a sanitizing wipe to clean your private area. You can throw the wipe in the trash bin once you've cleaned yourself. Do not flush the toilet and do not wash your hands until directed to do so by the technician. You must fill the urine specimen cup to the 45 milliliter mark. Once filled to the 45 milliliter mark, put the lid on the cup and set the cup on the toilet lid. You can wipe, but do not flush the toilet. Put your clothes back into their normal state. Then take the specimen to the collector. The collector will always be standing outside the restroom door during the collection process. Remember, do not flush and do not wash your hands. There is sanitizer outside the restroom for you to sanitize your hands after this process has been completed. You might be thinking, hey, wait a minute, what if I can't go? Well, a shy bladder does not mean that you've failed your test. That's what it means when you can't fill the cup. You have a total of 3 hours to complete your DOT drug screening. So for that, my best advice would be is to drink plenty of water at least 30 minutes before you arrive to do your testing. Now that you have given your closed cup to the technician, it is ready for distribution packaging to the lab. The technician divides your sample into 2 different sample containers. Once each of the sample containers are sealed with the numbers from your DOT drug screen form, you will sign and date each sample, verifying they are both containing your urine. Once the samples are signed and packaged for the lab, your technician will allow you to wash your hands. Once your samples are packaged, the samples are ready to be sent to the lab for processing. The lab will test the sample and send the results back to your employer or your potential employer. In the case that the test returns a positive on any of the 5 items DOT tests for, the lab will contact the medical review officer. The medical review officer will in turn contact either yourself or your employer to discuss why the positive result may have occurred. A false positive does sometimes occur with the medications you may be taking. Therefore, it is very helpful if you write the medications you are currently taking on the back of the form, which is your copy to keep. We will never ask for the information on your current medications. After you get your copy to keep of the DOT urine test form, you will be taken back to the location of your belongings. Once you collect those items, you are now ready to leave. The results of your test will be sent to your employer or your potential employer within 3 to 5 business days. Again, we want to thank you for joining us today in our urine specimen collection for DOT drug testing. We hope this video gives you an understanding of the process of collecting a DOT urine specimen. This program has been presented by Rapid Compliance Services, Inc. To schedule a DOT drug test anywhere in the U.S., please contact us at 559-203-7458. We also offer Clearinghouse and National Drug Screen Lottery assistance. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.